Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I check this out today on my YouTube channel. I want to go over the best YouTube alternative for 2020. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my YouTube channel, I wanted to share the best YouTube alternative platform. If you're thinking about joining another video sharing platform, everybody knows YouTube is the biggest video sharing platform on the internet, one of the biggest websites in the world, second to Google. Google owns YouTube, so it's essentially the biggest website in the world. And with that, other companies can easily get shadowed out, but it's one company or one video sharing platform in particular that is making big waves and big moves in the background that I feel like everybody needs to know about. And this platform I'm referring to right now is called LBRY. Now, LBRY allows you to sync your YouTube channel. It allows you to sync every YouTube video you've created with a simple click of the button. It will instantly monetize you, allowing you to earn what's called LBRY credits on this platform. And the video sharing platform is very cool. I'm on it. I have both of my YouTube channels synced. I have Yon World and the 420 World synced to YouTube. And as you can see, I uploaded something an hour ago on the 420 World, and it instantly syncs to LBRY. So the thing I like about LBRY is that it has an integration with YouTube, where it can sync your content instantly, and then you can start earning money. You can start earning LBRY credit. Right now, you will receive up to 2 LBC, which is equivalent to 7 cents per view, on LBRY. So for every view on LBRY, they're paying out about 7 cents. And if we go into my LBRY backend right here, you can see right on my account, I have currently I have 14,000 LBC staked, and that represents how much coins I have invested, because you use the LBC coin. The thing about this platform LBRY is that they have their own cryptocurrency, and this cryptocurrency can be converted back into Bitcoin, which could be converted back into US dollars. And once you sync your account, you begin earning LBC through the views you acquire and also through tips you receive. This website, instead of liking and disliking, they have a tip algorithm. They have a tip system, which if somebody likes your video, they just simply tip it. And I wanted to refresh my page right here just so you can see I'm receiving tips every day on LBRY. And it's very easy to set up, right? If we look August 31st, today is August 31st. For upload, I got 0.01 LBC, tip 1.5, 1.51, and you get tips all through the day. It's literally on autopilot. It's something that I believe every YouTuber should have. And this is how the homepage looks. I like it. You can switch from light to dark mode. It already has like a discover tab, a tags feature. It already has a trending tab. Compared to when YouTube first started, like back in 2005, when YouTube first started, it looks better. It actually looks better than how YouTube did when it first started. So LBRY has a lot of potential. It has a reward system set up. You see, just for being a YouTube partner with one channel, I get 60 LBC per month. And my main channel, Yon World, just for being a partner and syncing my videos with YouTube and actively uploading, I get 350 LBC per month, man. So just by syncing your channel, you could earn LBRY credits. You can earn LBRY credits just by syncing your channel. And even like, say if you didn't want to create content on LBRY, this is still a platform you can invest in, just to show you everybody knows Bitcoin is going crazy right now. Bitcoin is, you know, Bitcoin is something to watch right now. Bitcoin is definitely something to watch. And if we go on Coinbase and we search LBRY credits, you'll see LBRY credits is on the market as well. LBRY credits is something you can invest in. All you would have to do is create a LBRY account. Once you have a LBRY account and you have a LBRY wallet, you could receive credits, right? And excuse me. Let's say if you had Bitcoin and you wanted to convert it to LBRY credits, all you would do is go to a website like Simple Swap. You would send the amount of Bitcoin, and then you would convert that right here to LBC, LBRY credits, and you would just enter in, where is it? Where is my bad? You would just enter in your address, and you could receive LBRY credits, by converting it into Bitcoin. And LBRY credits is on the rise. Right now it's 3 cents per share. I currently have, let's see how many shares I have. I have 4,200 in tips, 14,000 staked, and I have 100 in my available balance. That's about 19,000. I got about 19,000, 20,000 shares of LBRY right now, and I don't plan on selling my shares anytime soon. LBRY, it hit a high one time of $2.50 per LBRY credit, and if you know, Bitcoin is headed toward 100,000. So Bitcoin directly affects all the other altcoins, and I believe once more people learn about this YouTube alternative, they'll invest in it. And once more YouTubers realize that you could sync your YouTube channel, and it's very effortless. Like, you don't have to actively upload your videos. It will automatically pull your videos from YouTube as you upload them on the platform, sync them to LBRY. People will find them. You can go on LBRY and you can invest your LBRY credits. It's good to go on LBRY every day and claim rewards by watching content. They give you rewards for subscribing to people. And yeah, man. So it's good to be active on the LBRY platform. This is a sleeping giant. I believe this platform is a sleeping giant, and it's going to rise. And a lot of people are going to flock to LBRY. Definitely with YouTube, the censorship, and as YouTube makes more and more money, it becomes more and more like a high profitable network. So people with outspoken voices and that have an opinion, it could get silenced on a major network like YouTube, and LBRY will be a safe haven for those content creators who don't want to feel restricted or limited by YouTube's ad guidelines. Now, it's your boy Yon World. That's my video for today. I hope y'all learned something from this video. I hope this was informative. Once again, we were going over the best YouTube alternatives. Right now, I believe the best YouTube alternative is LBRY.com. They have a mobile app. They have a website. The thing about cryptocurrency is that a lot of it is speculative, but LBRY has actually taken the time to integrate their cryptocurrency into their platform. So it's used as a utility. You use LBRY credits to tip, to promote your videos, and you also earn money when you view videos, and people view your videos. You earn LBRY credits, and you're able to convert those LBRY credits into Bitcoin, and you are also able to buy LBRY credits with Bitcoin as long as you have a LBRY account, and you're able to receive LBRY credits with your wallet. So hope that explains everything in this video. If you have any comments, if I explain something where you didn't fully understand it, please leave a detailed comment. I will respond back to you. If I don't respond back, please leave 10 more comments. I promise you I will see it. It's your boy Yon World. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.